It's the 72nd Miss Universe Preliminary Competition.
Philippines! Growing up with two siblings on the autism spectrum inspired Michelle to work closely with advocacy groups. This 28-year-old award-winning actress has set up a foundation that aims to provide opportunities to those on the spectrum. Philippines!
Philippines! While completing an online course at Harvard, Michelle founded multiple businesses focusing in health and multimedia creation. In her free time, this 28-year-old entrepreneur enjoys scuba diving, motocross, and martial arts. Philippines!